Let's make this carrot and plantain cake with no added sugar. Yeah. Hi, welcome back to Royal Eat With Kitchen. We are happy to have you. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not. For this recipe, we'll need 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 very ripe plantain, 1 large egg. We are going to be blending it. I have a lemon juice, one over 2 cups of oil, we'll be using 1 over 4 cup honey, one over 2 cup of milk, and 10 dates. We are going to soak the dates in the milk for 1 hour. 1 over 4 teaspoons salt, and 1 over 1 tablespoon. We are using 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now that everything is in the blender, let's go and blend it. While we are blending it, we are going to prep our dry ingredients. We are making use of 2 cups of all-purpose flour for this recipe. Sieve the flour. Add 1 over 2 teaspoons baking soda and 1 over 2 teaspoons baking powder. Our wet ingredient is ready. We are going to turn it into a bowl. Please, you can check the description box for the recipe. Thank you. I'm going to add the flour into the wet ingredient. Then fold it in with the spatula. I'm going to gently fold it in. Grease a pan with a little oil. We are going to grease the pan and line it with a baking paper. We'll turn in the batter into the pan. Use a spatula to scrape the batter into the pan. Heat it gently on the table to take out excess bubble. Our cake is ready. This cake came out so good. There's something about the taste. It tasted so cool and yummy, and the flavor was just cool. I believe if you try this cake, you're going to like it. So let's know if you get to try it. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Have a great day.